Okay, Chapter 5, Programming Labs, the text lab for the speed limit ticket. Okay, so your instructions say that your ticket is a minimum of $75. So you need a variable that sets up for ticket, right? So you need your ticket is data type double, and it's an original ticket cost. And how much is it? Talk to me, please. $75, right? So then you need to know the posted speed limit. So the posted speed limit, I'm going to call it posted speed limit, is an integer, and you really need to read in the posted speed limit from the keyboard, right? So you need to figure out how to use the Expo class to read in values from the keyboard, which is in like the first 15 slides in Chapter 5. So you need to figure that out from the read input from the Expo class. Okay, so once you have a posted speed limit, you're also going to have to know, what else do you have to know? The speed that you were going, right? So how about this one will be my speed. My speed, and then you're also going to have to read in that from the keyboard using your Expo class methods. Then you're going to have to know, you're going to have a place to store the calculated ticket cost, right? So you can call this one something like calculated ticket cost. And that is going to be done through your calculations from the instruction document. And that's what we're working on right now. So let's look at this. We have our ticket starting at $75, and we have that declared. Then we have an additional $6 for every mile per hour over the posted speed limit. So did you come up with an expression that will do that? Okay. Okay. What did you come up with? Here, wait, let's call it the names that I have up here. So my speed, right, in parentheses, minus the posted speed limit, and what does that give you? Very good. So this gives you miles per hour over, right? Okay. And then times 6, why? Because the fee is $6 per mile per hour over, and per means multiply. Every, and per means multiply, and then what? Plus the original ticket cost. So I want to use that variable plus ticket cost. Okay, so that looks like a good expression that is going to give me, what is that going to give me then? And I'm going to make this assignment operator right here Follow along. What am I calculating here? The calc ticket cost. So calc ticket right now is that expression. Okay, so the next thing that I need to figure out is if, so when I see the word if in a sentence asking me to program, then I'm going to use the word if in my program in front of a conditional statement. That's a good clue, right? So the word if is here on number 3. You are traveling over 30 miles per hour over the speed limit. An additional $160 is charged. So let's look at that. So if you're traveling 30 miles per hour over, then we're going to add $160 to that original calculated ticket cost, right? So let's go back and look at how we're going to write that. That would be better. So let's do that. So this, my speed minus posted speed limit, wouldn't it be better to go ahead and just put that in a variable then, right? Okay, so let's do this. So our list of variables, here's our list of variables right here. Let's add one. We're going to add the variable mile per hour over, and it's going to be what data type? Mile per hour over, okay? And you're probably going to want to initialize that to 0. So this goes in with my declarations at the top of my program. Damon. Yes, you could. You could have a calculation inside the condition if you want to. So let's do miles per hour over. So how did we calculate miles per hour over? We did that over here. My speed minus posted speed limit. So now we're on the next step because now we have a calculated ticket cost in memory.